Hey guys, welcome to the shop. So today we just want to take a few minutes and have a quick video talking about spark arresters. If you've got a chainsaw, a trimmer, a blower, especially if it's a steel unit, they have spark arresters in the exhaust, okay? This keeps sparks from coming out, catching fire. Now, what'll happen is your chainsaw, for example, or your trimmer or your blower, they won't run properly if this is clogged. So it's important to check this every season, sometimes even halfway through the season, and see if it's plugged up. Now this is a used one. This one's actually still in good shape, even though it's all dark, but you can see through the screen. I just got rid of one that was super clogged. I wish I had saved it to show you guys, but this is a brand new one. So where is it? Well, it's in the exhaust, and every unit is a little bit different on how to get to it. Usually it's right where the muffler pumps out the exhaust. There'll be a screen inside there. Now some models you got to fully remove your exhaust to get to it. Some models you just got to remove a couple nuts and this falls off, and then you're able to swap the screens out. Some of them you need a whole wrench or your scrunch that comes with the unit, and it actually twists out. Now the spark arrestor, is there obviously to keep sparks from coming out the side of the engine, coming out the front of the motor, and causing a fire. But carbon builds up over time. That carbon starts to block the screen and then prevents the engine from breathing properly. So you guys need to check that occasionally and make sure it's clean. If it's not clean, obviously you can get a new one, but one trick is to throw it in a pan, grab some brake clean, spray it down, let it sit, come back with a metal brush and scrub it down. Now I've had some where that hasn't worked because they have been so plugged up, it's just not even worth the time to clean them, and so it's easier to put a new one in. But it's totally up to you, right? So if your engine is low power, if it's stalling, it just won't start, this can be the first thing to take a look at. Figure out your spark arrestor, where it's located in your exhaust, and take a peek. Hopefully this helped you guys get your machine running good. Be sure to give me a thumbs up, hit subscribe, check the description for some brake clean if you need it for that, and have an awesome day.